Here we have a cross-section of your nerve trunk. So this would be your nervous tissue, and the surrounding tissue is other type of tissue, specifically connective tissue. But try to focus on the cross-section of your nerve fascicle. So if this is the nerve fascicle, this is most likely your perineurium, and inside would be your endoneurium surrounding your individual axons. Under the cross-section, it is easier to appreciate your myelinated versus unmyelinated axons. Okay, so from this magnification, you can already see the dark dots, which is your cross-section of your axons, and the surrounding white areas, which is your myelin sheath. Okay, under 400x magnification, again, you will see your axons and your myelin sheaths, okay? And then you can see that in between these myelinated axons, you would have clusters of small axons. This would be your unmyelinated axons, okay? In between your myelinated axons. So this would be your unmyelinated axons, and this would be your myelinated axons. So unmyelinated, they are actually still covered with myelin sheath, but they share a single Schwann cell, while this one, it's 1:1, one Schwann cell per specific segment of axon. Again, the dark dot structure in the middle is your axon, and the surrounding white area is supposedly where your myelin sheath would be, and the smaller circles, clusters, would be your unmyelinated axons.